Hi friends, I'm Ruben. In this video, we discuss about the candlestick types. It is a part 2. We discuss only the bearish candles, bearish reversal candles. Let's discuss the most powerful bearish reversal candle is a shooting star. It is a small real body, and the real body is at the bottom end of the sessions range, very small or no lower shadow. The upper shadow should be at least twice the height of the real body. The color of the real body is not important. The market must be in uptrend. These are the criteria for the shooting star. And the next one is the hanging man. The hanging man is present in downtrend as well as uptrend. It is a small wick in the upper side and then high wick in the lower side. It is a 2 times bigger than the real body. It is also very powerful reversal candle. And the next one is the Gravestone Doji. It is a bearish reversal candle. It is a no or very small real body. The open and close are at very close to the bottom of the candle. No or very small lower shadow, long upper shadow. The market must be uptrend. Here the sellers are pushing the stock. Then only the open and close are close at the bottom of the candle. And the next one is the bearish reversal candle of engulfing pattern. It is a 2 candle pattern. The market must be in uptrend. The first candle must be green. The second candle must be red. The real body of the second candle surround the real body of the post. The position of the shadow on either candles does not matter. The post candle is a very small compared to second candle. The second candle is cover the post candle. It is bigger than the post candle. The next one is the bearish harami. It is a bearish reversal candle. The 2 candle pattern. The market must be in uptrend. The first candle is green. There is a gap low between the 2 candles. The second candle has a very small real body. The color is not important. It is like a doji candle. It is a reversal for the bearish reversal. And the next one is the rising and falling 3 method. It is a falling 3 method. It is a continuation pattern. It is come in the downtrend as well as uptrend. The composed of 5 candles. The first candle is in big red candle, and then the other 3 candles are very small. It cover only the first candle itself, and then the final candle will be a close to the first candle. It down from the first candle. The pattern shows 3 phases. And the next one is the Twitter's top. It is a bearish reversal candle. It is come in the top of the uptrend. It is the wick of the first and second candle is the same equal point. Then the reversal will happen. And the next one is dark cloud cover pattern. It is a bearish reversal pattern. The 2 candles pattern. It is a market must be in uptrend. The first candle must be as green. The second candle must be red. The market gaps higher on the open of the second candle. The real body of the second candle must close into the body of the first candle. These are all the bearish reversal candles. These are powerful candles. It was seen in the uptrend, and then these are the criteria for the every bearish candles. If you have any doubts in this concept, please ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you friends.